Now that we've got the sand in there, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of his things in his tank. First thing I like to put in is this big piece of wood because it's easy to work around when this is the first thing in it. Now I want to make sure I find a position for this that is going to allow my bearded dragon to climb to a high basking area in order to thermoregulate. And I think that's good. That provides plenty of different levels of height for him to thermoregulate. The basking light I'm going to keep on this side. So this is the area where I keep his basking sites, which the stick would be considered a basking site. I also like to put in one little flat rock. I like it because it's a solid surface for him to stand on if that's what he wants to do. It's also partially going to be underneath the basking area, so it will warm up a little bit. Some lizards like to sit on the rocks and warm their bellies. He does sit on it quite a bit. I'm not sure why he likes it, but they really seem to enjoy having the flat, warm surface. So I'm going to stick that under his basking area. These little decorations here are more for my benefit than my bearded dragon's, but I think it makes for a nice little landscape here. A couple skulls for the desert areas, one little plant. I can bury the base underneath the substrate and just leave one little bush right here. The last thing to go in is going to be the food and water dish. Here's the water dish here. You'll notice it's a little bit deeper than the other dish. And here's the food dish. Now I like to keep these on the opposite end as the basking site because this is where the basking light is going to be. This end is going to be a lot warmer, so you want to make sure that your food and water doesn't end up getting overheated.